Alright, now we're gonna cold start the 67 Suburban 10, which has been sitting now for, I don't know, at least 2 months, if not longer. This is, for all you guys on Facebook, this is one of those junk Tecumsehs. This one's kind of a long shot, but we're going to see if the 69 Hydra 12 will start. This one hasn't been running, I don't know how long time. We're probably just gonna have to jump this one. Oh, that's right. This one's got the little Bic battery on it. All right, we just plugged it in. I might need to charge a little bit, but let's see if we get anything out of it. Oh, there we go. Alright, well, now we're down to the 70 Hydra 12. This is the first time that I really looked at it probably since August or September. So I'll give everybody a rundown of it. Also for Joe, just so he can see exactly what he's getting. So there's parts of this tractor, like the fenders, that are all rusty and dented up and stuff, that aren't in such good shape. The dash is gorgeous. It has a cigarette lighter. I think I have the other half of this. I got to see. The engine tin is gorgeous. The decal's gorgeous. If I remember correctly, yeah, that's not the original carb. I have the original carb somewhere, but it was filthy, so I just put that one on it. You can see the muffler. Oops. Help, I didn't drop the phone. See, the muffler originally was a shusher, and it rusted off, and that's what's left of it. You can see some attempts there from me on the channel locks trying to get it out. Really, it's just going to need a ton of heat, I think. Joe giving you new belts for it. For the record, 3/8 by 33 for starter generator and 5/8 by 79 for the tranny. So the belts on it, well, the tranny belt's not terrible. I cut the starter generator belt because I couldn't get it off in the summer when I got this thing. So there's $40-something in belts for you. This box over here has a fuel tank, removable grill piece, the PTO cover, the mule drive cover, the starter generator cover's under there, the belt guide for the tranny belt is under there, PTO cover's right there, clutch cover, a straight piece of pipe and a new muffler for when you get that off. Now, this does have the fuel tank from my 8XL on it, and I don't really feel like going through the hassle of taking everything off. So I think this still, yeah, it's still got gas in it. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Joe, at some point when you take that off, just hang on to it and I'll get it from you at some point because I don't want that going anywhere, because I would eventually like to finish the conversion on the 8XL using the factory fuel tank and battery location. But there it is. It's pretty straight for what it is. The hood is rusty, but nice and straight, no dents or anything like that in it. It does have the hood emblem. The decals are in good shape on the hood, or the paint rather. The front decal's in good shape, the grill's not busted. It's got both the headlights. It does not have steering wheel inserts. Only my 69 has that. Steering's tight. There's really only that much play in it. So it'll be a good project. The tranny didn't make any funny noise. It doesn't leak anything. You can see all under there is dry. So it would have been a good project, but unfortunately I just don't have the time for it, and there's really no reason for me to have this one and the 69, aside from the fact that it would be cool to have one of each. But it's got the hubcaps on it. I cleaned them up over the summer. I cleaned up pretty good. They are a little bit dented, but they're complete. You know, it's not every day that you get something that has all four on it. So I think just for shits, what we'll do is we'll get the, we'll probably use the 10. Get the Suburban 10 out, and or maybe we'll use the other Hydra. We'll get one of them out, and we'll try and start it up just to see what it'll do, because it ran pretty good over the summer, all things considered. So, but saying goodbye to another one. Thinning the herd a little bit. You know, got rid of the SS16 loader tractor. That went away. I kept the loader, obviously, but you know, the SS16 went away. This is going away, so I'm going to be left with those three, my original SS16 and the big tractor for the time being, and you know, possibly see about getting rid of that other Hydra as well, but be down to 5. I say that like it's a bad thing. Anyway, we'll see if we can get it fired up. Well, it kind of runs.